Think you need to spend a lot of money for a great pocket knife? Think again. Today we're cutting right to the chase with 9 of the best budget knives you can get for under $50. Perfect for your everyday carry. We'll cover what makes them great and why they deserve a spot in your pocket. Let's get started. First up, a true icon from France, the Opinel No.08. This design has been loved for over a century for its brilliant simplicity. You get a sharp Sandvik stainless steel blade and a comfortable wooden handle. But the magic is its ViroBlock safety ring, a simple collar you twist to lock the blade open and closed. It's lightweight, effective, and a must-have for any collection. Next, we head to Japan for the Higonokami. This is a handmade knife with a rich history. Its blade is forged from legendary Japanese blue paper steel, known for getting incredibly sharp. The handle is a single folded piece of brass that will develop a beautiful, unique patina over time. Quick warning, this is a non-locking friction folder. Your thumb on the tang is the lock, so it requires mindful handling. It's a beautiful tool with a soul. If you want the most bang for your buck, look no further than the CRKT Pilar 3. Designed by the famous Jesper Voxnais, this knife feels way more expensive than it is. The action is incredibly smooth thanks to a ball-bearing pivot, and it features a rock-solid frame lock. With a great ergonomic design and a tough build, the Pilar 3 is a budget powerhouse that performs well above its price tag. Need a knife that can handle tougher tasks? Meet the Gerber Flatiron. This is a budget-friendly cleaver-style blade built to work. Its thick D2 steel blade is perfect for chopping and heavy-duty slicing, where smaller knives might struggle. It feels substantial in the hand with a G10 and steel handle, and its frame lock is strong and secure. For a tough, utility-focused blade, the Flatiron is a fantastic choice. The Ontario Knife Company Rat 2 is a legend for a reason. It's the smaller, more pocket-friendly version of the famously tough Rat 1. Designed for hard use, this is a no-nonsense workhorse. It has great ergonomics, a reliable liner lock, and a durable AUS 8 steel blade. If you need a knife that you can beat on, abuse, and trust completely without worrying about the price, the Rat 2 is your answer. The Kershaw Cryo is what happens when you pair legendary knife maker Rick Hinderer with Kershaw's production power. It's a sleek, all-metal knife with a durable coating. Its main feature is a snappy assisted opening. A flick of the flipper tab sends the blade out instantly. It has a sturdy frame lock, and its compact size makes it a perfect choice for a first-time knife buyer or anyone looking for a reliable, fast-opening EDC. For a taste of traditional American craftsmanship, here is the Case Trapper. Made in the USA, this is a classic slip-joint knife, meaning it doesn't have a lock. Instead, it has 2 different blades, a slender clip blade for detail work and a spay blade for general cutting. It's a timeless design that's been an outdoorsman's favorite for generations. It's simple, useful, and carries a piece of American history with it. Want to get into the world of Spyderco without breaking the bank? The Spyderco Ambitious Lightweight is your ticket in. You get the iconic Spyderco thumb hole for easy, one-handed opening and a handle made of super tough, grippy FRN. It's a small, capable knife with a reliable liner lock, and Spyderco's excellent design language, making it a fantastic workhorse for its size. If you want maximum utility in the slimmest package, you need the Victorinox Cadet ALOX. Its tough, ribbed aluminum ALOX scales are iconic and incredibly durable. Inside this tiny tool, you get 9 functions, including a sharp blade, can and bottle openers, screwdrivers, and a nail file. It's Swiss-made, hyper-compact, and the perfect problem solver to drop in your pocket or on your keychain. So there you have it, 9 amazing and affordable pocket knives, proving you don't need to spend a fortune for a quality tool. Whether you like modern or traditional, there's a budget-friendly option out there for you. Let us know your favorite in the comments, and thanks for watching.